Inside the factory, raw chicken is transformed into ready-to-eat tandoori, emphasizing hygiene and mass production.
Well then, here, raw chicken is transformed into ready-to-eat tandoori.
This step is crucial because it allows marinade to penetrate deeply, ensures even flavor, and helps the chicken cook evenly later.
Chicken pieces are placed in large tumbling drums and the marinade is poured over them. The industrial tumblers rotate to ensure an even coating and deep penetration. Chicken pieces are placed into large tumbling drums or mixing vats. The marinade is poured over them. Industrial tumblers rotate to coat each piece evenly. Needs. Chicken is left to marinate in cold storage. Controlled temperature prevents bacterial growth.
Resting and absorption time. The chicken is left to marinate in cold storage. Controlled temperature prevents bacterial growth and allows flavors to fully. Resting and absorption time. The chicken is left to marinate in cold storage. Controlled temperature prevents bacterial growth and allows flavors to fully.
Chicken moves to large industrial ovens. Factories use conveyor belt ovens and high-temperature roasting chambers. Chicken moves to large industrial ovens. Instead of traditional clay tandoors, factories use conveyor belt ovens. The chicken.
The internal temperature is holding steady at 165. Okay.
And the color and texture are uniform across the batch.
No.
Our automated packaging machines weigh, vacuum seal, label, and date stamp the marinated chicken, ensuring.
Raw marinated chicken is vacuum sealed by automated packaging machines that weigh, seal, label, and date stamp.
Products are stored in cold storage units, loaded into refrigerated trucks, distributed to restaurants, supermarkets, or export markets.